From Fox 5 News, this is Good Day New York.
Still to come this morning, we're getting ready to say goodbye to 2020.
Up next, a look at some of the New Year's Eve traditions that should bring you some good luck.
Hoping for good luck this year, yeah,
right?
2020.
Jeez. Welcome back. Tonight, we say goodbye to 2020, which is, so needed. And if you're like most people, you could use some good fortune in 2021.
Joining us right now, we have lifestyle expert Nicole Pearl. She's rounded up some New Year's traditions that are believed to bring health, wealth, and good luck in the new year. Nicole, great to see you, and an early Happy New Year to you.
Thank you for having me, and that is right. These are all traditions that will bring luck, and we can all use that on our side right now.
All right, so tell us about this, because I think we need to start with good luck. We're all looking to change our luck in the new year, so how do we start off the year on a high note?
Well, I say cook up some good luck. Give yourself black-eyed peas for your New Year's Eve dinner. Did you know this dates back to the Civil War? And black-eyed peas actually represent pennies, so you can literally eat your way to wealth in 2021.
Okay, but I've been eating myself into a bigger size over 2020. So let's talk about maybe clothes that we can wear, colors, because that does mean something going into the new year.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you want to choose your outfit wisely. Did you know that what you wear, the color, could actually determine what 2021 will look like for you? So in fact, white represents peace. This is the color they wear in Brazil on New Year's Eve. Now, if you're looking for prosperity, wear some red. That's popular in Romania. And this doesn't have to be your entire head to toe look. This could be socks. Even underwear qualifies.
What about sparkles, Nicole? Because a lot of people like to, put on something sequined on New Year's Eve.
I love sparkles. Bring them on. If you can get some white sparkles, some red sparkly dress, of course, that counts.
And I think the one that was pretty interesting, there was 12 grapes, so you're eating a whole lot of grapes, one every count as we hit New Year's. How does that bring you good luck in 2021?
Good question. Well, this is a fun tradition from Spain. You want to eat one grape at the strike of midnight, and the idea is that if you eat all 12, each one represents a month in the new year, you will get good luck. Now, if you don't finish, then bad luck might be on the way, so make sure you choose small grapes so it's easier, and chew, chew, chew.
Let's talk about the ever popular New Year's Eve kiss. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year. Everyone's looking for somebody to kiss. This is a long-standing tradition, not just here in the U.S., but all over the world. Tell us about how this all started.
So that's a great question. Most people don't realize, according to the Washington Post, the kiss goes back to German and English folklore, and the idea is that the first person you come in contact with will determine your destiny. Now, so many of us are not with our loved ones immediately, so if you're on a virtual Zoom, what have you, I say a virtual kiss counts, and if you're by yourself, blow yourself a kiss. Make 2021 the right year for self-love, and just choose your partner wisely,
But Nicole, how do I get some luck into finding a partner to kiss? Because that seems to be what a lot of people are lacking in 2020 during the pandemic.
And that's a good question that we could all use in the new year. So that's why I'm saying focus on self-love, and then once you're there, that magnetic energy will come right to you.
Good advice.
All right, tell us about this thing called the leap of faith. Okay, so you start the new year with a literal jump off of a chair.
This is so fun. At midnight, get on a chair, jump off it, literally leap into January. Leave all that bad stuff behind, and you can start fresh. And it gets your body moving. It's fun, so I say try it.
And I think something that is going to be causing for some early wake-up cleanup. We're talking about smashing plates, and the more you smash, apparently that's even more luck.
Oh, yeah. I think we can all get behind this one. So you want to go ahead and smash that plate. Get your frustration, your stress out of the year, and the more shards you have on your front door the next morning, the more luck and fortune that will come your way.
All right, so Nicole, a lot of people left their suitcases at home in 2020, a lot of canceled travel plans this past year. Everyone's looking forward to getting back on planes and going places in 2021, and there's something that we can do involving a suitcase that might help us get in that direction. Tell us about that.
Yes, if you are feeling cooped up and you have that travel bug, this is what you need to be doing. So I want you to get an empty suitcase or a backpack. At midnight, put on your mask, take your suitcase, and run around the block. this is said to bring travel and adventure into your life in the new year. So, I mean, there's nothing to lose, really. It will be fun at least to get those suitcases out from the closet, dust them off a little bit.
All right, we've gone through grapes, black-eyed peas, trying to kiss someone if you don't have anyone to kiss, smashing plates, but we do have one last one, and this is pretty simple. I think anyone can, do this. It's talking about opening up a window, letting all that bad air out.
Yes.
Yeah, so along the ideas of let out with the old, in with the new, open up your windows and doors at midnight. The idea is those bad spirits and all that bad energy is going to go out the window, and then you can usher in some positive vibes. And along the same line, this is what they do in Puerto Rico. They'll take a bucket of water and they'll toss it out their window. So you can do that too. Just make sure there's no pedestrians, that you're splashing, and that's going to get out the bad vibes. And then you could take some sugar, sprinkle it outside your home, and that's going to really represent sweetness and bring good fortune into the new year.
Nicole Pearl, some great advice there. Happy New Year to you, and hope all good things for all of us in 2021.
She's going to do all 8 of them. That's a whole lot going into 2021.
Going to be eating a lot of things today.
Yeah.
Grapes, get sugar throughout the window. We need black-eyed peas.
And need to find somebody to kiss.
And somebody to kiss at the top of the list. Okay.